good, YouTube? Hi guys. I know you can't see me. Boxes in a way. But this is your boy, Iggity Diggity J Diggy 92 with Lola. Coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. We're gonna make this quick because my battery's about to die. But I'm not even supposed to be unboxing this today. I was supposed to wait till tomorrow. But I really want to see these, and yeah, I couldn't wait. So we're gonna get into this package. I already know what this is. This is from the brand God is Dope. Shout out to God is Dope. It's just a little dad hat. Just because the way I have my hairstyle now, I can wear dad hats again, which is amazing because I have endless dad hats, but I can't wear them because I have so much damn hair. So it doesn't look right. But yeah, all it is this Nipsey Blue dad hat. I think it's dope. It just says God is Dope on the front. It's like the fourth God is Dope joint I got from him, so that's always dope. But next up in this big ass box that's dented, the shipping and handling was not there. We have something that I'm not proud to say, but I am officially a hype beast. And with that said, you guys should already know what's in this box. But it's something that I never thought I would own, would buy, anything. So we're gonna get right into it. And I know like I ain't really give y'all a big ass spill in this, but that's because I really just want to see these. And I'm excited to see these. You excited? You want to see them too? She wanted the toy to see it too. She was like, I don't give a damn. Give me my damn toy. But yeah, so soon as y'all already know what it's hitting for. Yeah, bruh. Yeah. You doing big things. Can't throw that on the ground. You doing big things out here. Big things. Whew. We got this big ass. Don't jump in there. Ooh, I thought she was about to. We got this big ass Nike box. Oh, my camera about to die. I'm gonna switch batteries. Hold on. Okay, we back. Alright, so look. We got this huge ass orange Nike box, and of course what y'all see in that, y'all already know what it is. If you watch reviews and anything, y'all already know what it is. It's just what colorway that I choose to get. So we gonna go ahead and open these bad boys right here. You wanna get back up? Here you go. You're welcome. We gonna go ahead and get into these. I'm super excited. Damn. Son, like I have no charged up batteries, like whatsoever. And it's killing me. Like this shit is getting on my nerves. But we got this, whatever the hell this is. I don't even know what this is. It's not even open. What is it? Fuck this. I want to get to the shoes. We got a dust bag. It's not even a dust bag. It's like a travel bag. Like this junk thick as shit. No, it's just a bag. It's just a bag. But we gotta send a huge shout out to them boys over at StockX. One time for one time. So let's get into the moment. Oh, you excited? Y'all seen her? Little head poking over the jump. That. Today we got I'm a hype beast. The Sale Fear of Gods. Feel Gods. Oh my god. The Feel Gods. These joints look huge, but I'll have the Fear of Gods. Lo likes them. She gets the puppy stamp of approval. You like them? Yes? Yeah, she likes them. She was like, good choice, my nigga, good choice. But yo, these are actually a graduation present to myself. I graduate next month. Damn, I forgot to turn the air off. Hopefully that's not killing y'all too much. But I graduate next month, and I said, you know what? This is a huge accomplishment for me. This is a huge moment for me. So why not get a huge moment type of shoe? You feel me, Lo? You feel me? Little toy? Here you go. You feel me? If you want to get down, just don't jump, please. Yeah, you want to get down? Oh, chill. Yeah, so I had to get this. I had to. It was this or another shoe that would cost way more than this. So why am I putting it back in the thing? I'm so fucked up. I'm fucking up. But let's pull out the other shoe. This unboxing ain't gonna be that long because I really just want to try these shits on. And like, I'm actually like super excited I bought these. Like, and I actually got them like at my crib. Like, this shit is crazy. My battery is dying again. Hold up, y'all. Fuck. Alright, so we charged up finally. And now we can, I guess, discuss the rest of the damn official first thoughts on these damn Fear of Gods. That shit just blew me. Cause this is like take 3. But now these joints is clean, bro. Like I said, I got them for my graduation present to myself, and I thought they were dope. Where's that other little bag? Cause I think that other bag got like shoelaces in them, right? Like these got like shoelaces in them or something. I think that's what. I don't know, man. Yeah, I think these shoelaces. What shoelaces do I get? It's the same damn shoelaces. I don't. What the fuck? I don't get it. I don't understand, guys. I don't understand. Here's a little hang tag though. That's dope. Shoelaces, hang tag. Hello. She looked like, what the fuck is that? And then you got like lace locks too. I don't know if I'll put the lace locks in. I kind of like the way they're laced right now. But overall, I think this joint dope. Unfortunately, I didn't get to pay retail for these, so that kind of sucks dick. But other than that, I'm excited. I want to do this on feet too, just to see how they look. But I'm definitely gonna try these on as soon as this camera goes off. But yeah, man, I guess I'm officially a hype beast now. I'm not proud of it, but I mean, it is what it is. Shit happens, I guess. But yeah, man, overall, Fear of Gods, I think they dope. They got some nice materials just by judging from first thoughts. I mean, I'll get into the shoe and do a legit like rundown of materials and stuff like that, but I don't know. I just, first off, I think they're lit. They're dope. Oh, whoa, do not eat that. But only time will tell how I truly feel about these shoes. So yeah, man, this has been my failed unboxing of greatness and shit, because my camera batteries wouldn't let me be great. It's really my fault. I should have charged them shits like I was supposed to, but I didn't, and I had shit to do. So yeah, hopefully y'all entered into that giveaway for the what are they called? The Revenge Storm. Hopefully y'all entered into that giveaway. It should still be up. It should still be open. It doesn't close for another month. So y'all got time. I know a lot of people are putting in for it, which is great. So shouts out to all y'all that like watched the video and did what I said. I already see that I'm gonna have to delete some comments. Like I said, I was gonna have to, because people are not listening still. Damn, I forgot to put the damn shoelaces back in. But people, yeah, aren't listening like I knew they wouldn't. They're commenting twice and shit, acting like they really gotta say something, and then like they say something twice. So I don't know, man. Like, This shit is annoying because motherfuckers don't listen. It's simple, man. All you had to do was subscribe and motherfucking tell me your IG name. That's it. And people still can't follow those simple rules. Like, that shit is crazy to me, and I will never understand the minds and logics of fucking individuals on this planet we call Earth. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here before I start another rant, because that is definitely something I could rant about all damn day, because that shit gets on my nerves. Like, sincerely gets on my fucking nerves. But we're not gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and actually try these on, and then I'll get back to y'all in the official review of these. But overall, like right off top, I think they dope. I think they cool. I think they clean. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward to wearing these. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna wear these with, but it's gotta be a lit ass fit. I know that much. So yeah, man, like I said, go participate in that giveaway and hit that thumbs up and that like button while you edit before you leave here. I'll prefer you do that first before you leave and go to the giveaway. And then subscribe so you can join the motherfucking the God Squad. You already know we the best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. You gonna follow me on anything you find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. JDiggy92. You okay? Excuse you. JDiggy92. What else? Oh, shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Shout out to my gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. And shout out to the podcast, the God Box podcast. I hate when this motherfucker moves downstairs because she started tweaking because she thinks somebody coming. But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching and listening and supporting and subscribing. We actually almost at 500 subs, which is crazy because I started out when I first put that video out at like 430 some subscribers. And since I put out that video, people have been subscribing like crazy. So shouts out to y'all. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please go ahead and enter into that giveaway the right way. It's not hard if you want to win a free pair of Revenge Storm. So just go ahead and do that. And I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching another episode of Finesse Kicks. I'm your boy, the Finesse God, JDiggy92. I love y'all. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.